as a health coach, what currency should you charge your clients? This is a very common question I get from health coaches in the Health Professional Academy. So, some people wonder, well, should they charge based on the country they live in? Should they charge based on the country their client lives in? Pesos, US dollars, Canadian dollars, pounds, rand? Or should they have one standard currency for all of their clients, such as the US dollar? So let's look at it. It depends on the specific situation. If you are local, let's say a Canadian with a local practice, maybe you're hands on, you do some yoga or massage, or even if not, if all of your clients are local and in Canada, you're going to charge Canadian dollars based on where you live. It would be weird to charge US dollars. Now, what about if you're virtual online, but all of your clients are Canadian? Again, if everyone is in that same country, you're going to charge Canadian dollars. But what if you have clients, you're virtual, and you have clients all over the world? Canada, US, Mexico, and so on. One of my clients lives in Athens, Greece, and she has clients in every continent, a client from every continent. It would be a nightmare for her to charge based on currencies of her client. This is not possible. So I recommend if you're virtual and you have clients from more than one country, Canada and US and or others, Japan, Hong Kong, etc., you want to charge a standardized currency, and I recommend the US dollar. It is nice universal currency. Most countries can easily convert over to that US currency. They're used to doing that. Most of your business expenses as you grow and you're virtual for your different platforms will be in the US currency. So it just makes sense. And then it makes it fair. Everybody is paying the same price for that program, for that service. So that's what I recommend. And if you were to charge based on individual countries, it becomes a nightmare and it will slow you down because the currencies, relative currencies, are changing all the time. Now, you can do some things like, for example, my Canadian clients, they're paying US dollars, but I pay their GST on behalf of that. So the price includes the GST. So that is just a little bit of a favor. So sometimes there's some things that you can do, but I also recommend that you charge the same price for everyone at the same time. Now, your program is always going to be getting better and the price is always going to be going up. So the best time for your clients to join you is right now. So they're going to get the best that you have right now. Now, in the future, the price will be higher, but it's not possible to give someone your 3 years from now program today. You can give them your today's best, but you can't give them your 3 year from now best. So it's always going to be getting better, but it's also always fair. So I really like to have that as that primary. And then in addition, give people generously a lot of free stuff. If they're wanting free stuff, you know that you can get from me my free books, some free training, some free videos. These videos are often free, so you can get some free information. So give generously. But for those people that really want this and really want the results, for your clients that are really wanting the healing that you're helping them with, that improved health that you're helping them with, then they'll want to make that investment. And it will massively save you time and cut down on your admin time trying to convert back and forth. And you just have that one standardized price. So I hope that helps. Feel free to ask more questions. I'm happy to answer them here so that we can get more of you getting your healing gifts out into the world. And with that, have a fantastic day and be good for you.